You may be sitting on a $5,000 ticking time bomb and not even know it. Because right now, 9 out of 10 car owners are either using the wrong transmission fluid, neglecting it entirely, or trusting the lifetime myth that's destroying their transmission from the inside out. And here's the shocking part. Most mechanics won't even warn you. Why? Because a failed transmission means one thing: money in their pocket and a blown budget for you. Stick around, because we're going to expose every hidden truth, the secrets dealerships don't tell you, and one simple trick that could save your transmission and your wallet. 1. The lifetime fluid lie. What it really means. Let's start with the biggest scam of all. Lifetime transmission fluid. You've probably seen it in your manual or heard it from a dealership. Oh, don't worry. The fluid is sealed for life. Sounds great, right? Wrong. In reality, lifetime doesn't mean forever. It means until the warranty runs out. Most manufacturers consider 100,000 miles the end of a vehicle's life. But what if you want your car to last 200,000 or even 300,000 miles? Using transmission fluid that's never changed is like never changing your engine oil and expecting the motor to survive. Over time, transmission fluid breaks down due to heat, friction, and contamination. The friction modifiers wear out. The fluid oxidizes. The result: gear slippage, delayed shifting, and internal wear. According to the Automatic Transmission Rebuilders Association, ATRA, over 90% of automatic transmission failures are due to overheating and fluid degradation, both preventable with proper fluid changes. The takeaway? If your car says lifetime fluid, treat that as marketing. Change your transmission fluid between 30,000 to 60,000 miles, depending on your vehicle and driving habits. More often if you tow, haul, or drive in extreme climates. 2. Transmission fluid isn't one size fits all. Here's a myth that costs people thousands, assuming all transmission fluid is the same. Wrong. There are dozens of types. Dexron 6, Mercon 5, ATF Plus 4, CVT fluid, DCT fluid, each designed with specific additives, viscosities, and friction properties tailored to particular transmissions. Put Mercon V into a system that needs ATF Plus 4? You'll ruin the clutch packs and torque converter. Use generic ATF in a CVT? You'll be facing complete transmission failure within months. One mechanic secret: some quick lube shops use universal fluid with additive packs to make it compatible. This is a massive gamble, especially with today's complex transmissions. Always use the exact fluid type recommended by your manufacturer. Check the dipstick, cap, or service manual. If in doubt, call the dealership. 3. Why mechanics rarely suggest transmission fluid change. Here's something no one talks about. Most independent mechanics avoid recommending a transmission fluid change. Why? Because it's risky. For them. If your transmission has never been serviced and is already worn internally, changing the fluid might dislodge built-up debris that was holding worn parts together. The result: slipping, harsh shifting, or worse, total failure. So rather than risk you blaming them, many mechanics just stay silent. But here's the truth. If you change fluid early and regularly, you avoid this risk entirely. The best time to change fluid is when the transmission is healthy, not when it's already failing. If your car is under 100,000 miles and the fluid has never been changed, do it now. If it's over 150,000 miles and never touched, consult a trusted transmission specialist. 4. The dipstick is disappearing, and that's a problem. Remember when you could pop the hood, pull out the transmission dipstick, and check fluid level and condition yourself? Not anymore. Many modern cars come with sealed transmissions, no dipstick, no easy access. Why? Because automakers claim it reduces owner tampering and improves system longevity. But what it really does is make fluid service harder and more expensive, because you have to go to the dealer or buy specialized tools. But here's the workaround. Sealed doesn't mean inaccessible. Most sealed transmissions have fill and drain plugs. With the right tools and a little research, you can still check and replace the fluid yourself or have a trusted mechanic do it. Don't let the sealed label fool you into neglect. 5. Color tells a story. How to inspect transmission fluid. Even if you can't check fluid with a dipstick, if you can get a sample from the drain plug or during service, color and smell are critical indicators. Brand new ATF is typically red or pink. Over time it turns brown, then dark brown, and eventually black, meaning it's burnt and full of debris. But color alone isn't enough. Smell the fluid. If it smells burnt or has a sour odor, that's a red flag. Also, check consistency. Healthy fluid should be smooth, not gritty or sticky. If your fluid is brown or black, it's overdue for service. If it smells burnt, you may already have internal damage. Schedule a diagnostic as soon as possible. 6. Never do a flush on a high-mileage, neglected transmission. Here's a shocking fact. Transmission flushes, often marketed as deep cleaning, can destroy a neglected transmission. If your vehicle has 120,000 plus miles and has never had a fluid change, a power flush might dislodge gunk that's been holding the system together. It's like tearing out support beams in an old house. Everything collapses. Instead, do a drain and fill. It replaces 40 to 60% of the fluid gradually without shocking the system. Do it every few thousand miles until the fluid is clean. This method is safer for older transmissions. Some pros even recommend a pan drop, which allows filter replacement and inspection of the pan for metal shavings or debris. Avoid the flush and forget approach on older vehicles unless you know the service history. 7. Transmission additives. Helpful or harmful? This is controversial. Should you use transmission fluid additives? Some promise smoother shifts, leak prevention, or better heat resistance. And while a few products do have proven benefits, like LubeGuard Red or Seafoam TransTune, many others are snake oil. Additives can mask problems temporarily, but do not fix worn clutches, broken bands, or failing solenoids. Worse, some can mess with the friction balance in your transmission and accelerate wear. If your transmission is healthy, additives are rarely needed. If it's already failing, additives won't save it. The best preventive maintenance? Use the correct fluid, change it regularly, and avoid overheating. That's worth more than a bottle of mystery goo. 8. Overheating. The transmission's worst enemy. Do you tow heavy loads, drive through mountains, live in hot climates? Your transmission is working harder and generating heat. And heat is the silent killer. Every 20 Fahrenheit rise in fluid temperature cuts fluid life in half. At 220 degrees Fahrenheit, fluid degrades rapidly. At 260 degrees Fahrenheit, seals begin to harden. By 295 degrees Fahrenheit, you're risking total failure. That's why transmission coolers are a popular upgrade for trucks and SUVs that tow. Even some sedans can benefit from aftermarket coolers. If your car frequently sees high loads or climbs, ask your mechanic about a transmission temp gauge or cooler. It's cheap insurance. 9. Don't forget the filter, if you have one. Not all transmissions have external filters, but many traditional automatics do. And just like your oil filter, it needs regular replacement. A clogged transmission filter restricts fluid flow, causing low pressure, delayed shifting, and eventual failure. If your service includes a pan drop, ask to see the filter. If it's dark, brittle, or clogged, replace it immediately. Bonus tip: if you're DIY inclined, get a filter kit with a new gasket and bolts. Replacing the pan gasket ensures no leaks post-service. Neglecting a $20 filter could cost you a $3,000 rebuild. Don't skip it. 10. The danger of mixed fluids. Here's a mechanic horror story. A customer tops off their fluid with Universal ATF. A week later, their transmission fails. Why? Because mixing incompatible fluids, even in small amounts, can alter the entire transmission chemistry. Think of it like mixing engine oil and brake fluid. It just doesn't work. Some newer transmissions are especially sensitive, including CVTs and dual clutch systems. One wrong fluid can destroy valve bodies, solenoids, and clutch packs. Always double-check the bottle. Look for certifications like Dexron 6, Mercon 55, etc. and cross-reference with your manual. When in doubt, don't guess. 11th, transmission maintenance boosts resale value. Here's something you don't hear often. A well-documented transmission maintenance history boosts your car's resale value, especially in private sales. Show a buyer that you've changed the fluid every 40,000 miles, replaced the filter, and used OE spec fluid. You've just positioned your car as a smart, reliable purchase. In contrast, the dreaded phrase, "never touch the transmission," is a red flag. Buyers know that's a ticking time bomb. Keep receipts. Log services. Use digital maintenance apps if needed. A few minutes of record keeping could add $500 to $1,000 to your resale value. 12th, transmission trouble codes don't always trigger warning lights. Many drivers think no light means no problem, but that's not always true. Modern transmissions store soft codes, errors that don't trigger the check engine light but still indicate slipping, overtemp, or shift delays. That's why scanning your transmission system with a professional-grade OBD2 tool is smart, especially if you notice even minor symptoms like delayed shifts, surging, or weird noises. Early detection allows early action. Don't wait until your transmission literally can't move the car. 13. Manual transmissions need love too. Think this video doesn't apply to you because you drive a stick shift? Think again. Manual transmissions use gear oil, not ATF, but it still breaks down. And clutch fluid, usually brake fluid, needs replacement every few years to prevent moisture contamination. Plus, worn synchronizers and clutch throwout bearings cause grinding, notchy shifting, and clutch drag. If your manual transmission is high mileage, do this. Replace gear oil every 50,000 to 75,000 miles. Bleed and replace clutch fluid every 2 to 3 years. Watch for early signs of wear and avoid aggressive downshifting. If you've made it this far, you now know more about transmission fluid than 90% of drivers on the road. You've learned why lifetime fluid is a dangerous myth, how the wrong fluid kills transmissions silently, why flushing a neglected system can backfire, how overheating shortens your transmission's life, and what steps you can take today to protect your car. So now we want to hear from you. Have you ever skipped a fluid change and paid the price? Or do you have a high mileage transmission that's still going strong? Share your story in the comments. We read every one. And if this video saved you a trip to the mechanic or potentially thousands, hit that like button and subscribe for more no BS car care tips straight from real mechanics. Drive smart, protect your ride, and never trust lifetime claims again.